This is a video about how to use a new Chrome feature called Screen Capture. So first you're going to check and make sure you have it installed. In the lower right, the notifications area, click on that. You should see this. Now it's very new, so you may not have it installed. If it's not, you're going to update your Chrome OS by coming to the gear here, clicking on that. In the lower left, you'll see About Chrome OS. Click on that. And then you'll see a little button called Check for Updates. You can go ahead and check, let it update. It's going to restart, log back in. Once you do that, you should see it because it's only in the latest OS or operating system. Next, get your video queued up. This is drone video from Stony Brook University. I want to get a few seconds of it. I have it queued up and ready to go. Click on Notification area. Click on Screen Capture. You'll see these tools pop up along the bottom here. If you hover over them, it'll tell you exactly what they do. But I want video, so I'm on the video icon, and then I can do full screen or partial screen. I want to do partial screen, so I've got that one selected. That's full screen there. Partial screen is there. So now all I do is click, hold, and drag a rectangle over what I want to capture. Like so. Okay, and then I go ahead and click record right in the middle. Start my video, or I could have started it first. Okay, video's playing, it's recording, capturing just the video, not the sound. Okay, and you'll notice this little icon here tells me it's recording. I'll click on that when I want to stop it. They'll end up in this area, the file manager, which is basically the hard drive of your computer or your Chromebook here. Okay, so let's click on this to stop it. It downloads the file to my Chromebook hard drive, which is tiny. We don't want to leave a lot of stuff on there. Well, let's go see it. Go to the file manager. Go ahead and click on Downloads on the left. Those are the things on your hard drive, and here it is at the top, screen recording, date, time. From here, I can right-click, rename it. I can open my Google Drive along the left here and just drag it over to a folder that I want, and then go ahead and use it however I want to in my larger video or whatever I'd like to do with it. So that's how you use Screen Capture.